All right, we are at the Quality Inn on Cornhusker in Lincoln, Nebraska. And we're going to do my very first real-life hotel room tour.
Okay.
We are room in 123.
Okay. Here's your key card
Here's a key card
for 123.
for 123. We're going to hold about 1 second, and you open the door.
Hey, there is no shampoo.
It's okay. It's okay.
Now close it, and we have evacuation map.
Evacuation map, right? And rules and regulations. And
There's regulations.
Hey, Bob.
Oh, they do.
Okay, quiet, honey.
And we have, and what's this?
That's your deadbolt lock.
Deadbolt lock, a handle.
And then the handle lock there.
And as you come in, this right here is your hotel closet.
Right. Right, yeah.
This right here is your,
Hotel closet, right?
and this is your, there's your hangers.
Mm-hmm.
And what's this?
Hangers. That's iron and an ironing board.
Iron board
Something
with your iron.
Mom needs to learn about.
And there's Mom.
Okay. Mom, get out of the way so he can
Hi, Mom.
check out the bathroom.
Hi.
And look at the mirror. Who you see? Hi.
Mm-hmm.
And you can see Freddy Fox on my shirt.
Okay. Okay, do a bathroom tour.
And this right here is your standard hotel bathroom.
Mm-hmm.
It's very, very nice for clean, but there's your hair dryer, there's lights and a fan, and there's another mirror. There's your mirror. Who you see? Hi. This is my first hotel room tour with my new camera.
Yep.
There's your standard hotel sink.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Good.
The sink, hot and cold.
Mm-hmm. Go ahead. And the towels.
Towels
And the commode.
or the toilet
Mm-hmm.
is made by Gerber.
Okay. And the shower.
And the shower with your bathtub, with your shower head, or closer motels.
Okay,
Wait till he's done.
go look this way. Right there, what's that?
A shower
What does it say?
conditioner
And?
and
Shampoo.
shampoo.
Okay.
On the wall.
Have a shower curtain.
No picture for coffee.
Tell me later.
No picture for coffee.
Yeah, no, that's what I have over there.
All right, but first, let's take a quick video of flush.
Okay, go ahead.
Standard hotel fans. Here's your favorite part. All right.
All right.
Here's your bathtub. Let's let's turn the shower.
Turn the shower a little bit. Okay.
Nice shower.
Yep. Okay.
Yep. Oh. There we go.
Okay.
All right.
Jim, there's a coffee maker in here in the bathroom. Honey?
I'm coming.
The little coffee maker.
Yeah, but no coffee pot. No coffee pot.
Well, then you ask him up at the desk. And...
All right. This right here is your two
Two beds. Two queen size.
queen size beds. There's Mom.
Put that on the
Good.
Here's your two queen size beds. And
What's that called?
we have your nightstand
And what's in the drawer? Anything in the drawer?
is the Holy Bible with the good book, and that's the maps. Yeah,
Right?
right?
Okay.
Okay.
Show me your bed.
This is my bed
For tonight.
for tonight.
And, oh.
Oh, forgot something. There's your flat screen TV. It's made by LG. And over right here is your Oster microwave. It's very, very clean, but so Star City, what do you think of this hotel? Oh, one more for Scott something. There's another mirror. Oh, we have another mirror. Hi. And we have some 3 drawers. They're empty. They're empty too. There's 3 of them, and we have a mini fridge, and
The other way, Jeffrey, underneath.
Yeah, pull it down from underneath.
we have freezer, and we have a desk. There's my Chromebook, and Mom's Chromebook. There's my radio. There's your lamp. And what's this?
Coffee cup.
Coffee cup.
This is for like trash here. Okay?
Okay.
And that's a
Chair.
lounge chair.
A lounge chair.
Okay?
There's a climate control.
And here's the view out the window.
Here's your view of the city of Lincoln.
Okay?
And over here, over there, let's go to zoom once towards. Let's zoom in towards the Burger King,
Burger King, yeah.
because back in June 9th there was a fire.
Yeah. Okay.
It was before 5:30.
Okay.
This is the climate control.
Is that it?
It's
It's not working.
First responder
No, it's not working.
until help arrives. In that moment, 4 minutes equals spray damage. 6 minutes equals.
there's Luna, the moon plushie.
First responder is you. We need you. And you. And you. Will you be ready? Learn CPR. Visit heart.org/nation.
God, it's cold in here. I don't know. Does this show the volume? I mean, not the volume, what the next show's gonna be on?
Well, thank my guests for joining me today. I want to thank everybody who watches the show every day. But especially I want to thank my
Oh.
studio audience.
What time is it now?
The time is 3:04.
Okay, real slow.
Thank you. Until next time, America. Thank you.
Corona's on next.
And look at this. What's this? And what is this?
Painting.
There's your picture with the painting.
I wish I brought my pillows.
I don't know what's wrong with
Jeffrey,
their Wi-Fi, but
don't block.
why don't you take this up to the front desk and have them walk in? Okay? Come on. I'm gonna stay here with Jeffrey, okay?
Okay.
Are you done?
But first, we saw a picture of painting.
Right? Okay.
Oh, let's do the honors and let's see how the beds are.
Okay, jump in there.
Let's feel like this.
Yep. Nice and fluffy.
And here's another one too.
Mm-hmm.
Nice pillows. Here's your lamp. And here's your alarm clock with your standard hotel phone. Your light switch.
Okay.
Okay,
That's it for the room tour.
that's it for the hotel room tour.
Okay. Bye.
All right, let's take one more look at the room. So, Star City and Diesel Lucy, what do you think of this hotel room?
I don't know.
It's pretty nice.
Yeah, it's okay.
All right, let's end the video. So that was my very first real life hotel room tour in Lincoln, Nebraska. So I guess that was the first hotel room tour video. So Jim Lee, I hope you enjoyed this first hotel room tour on my video I'll ever upload to YouTube. And so that being said,
That's it.
thank you for watching, and that is all.